he has been expelled from Nadeko. The next step is to make sure that the stolen mandate that is still parading about is taken away from him. And then the next step to be taken is to make sure that Lagos State, that is his feeding bottle, is withdrawn from him. You cannot be greater than the Yorubas. You cannot. You cannot be greater than the Yorubas. Now let's start with one non-entity who call himself Said Elegusi. Said Elegusi, you're a fool, oh. Who made you an Oba? You're a parasitic fool. Who made you an Oba? Said Elegusi, what do you call you? You're a fool. Who made you an Oba? This is a guy who doesn't have any work. He's riding a Rolls Royce. There's no, I still don't understand what is going on in Yoruba land. If you talk about Yoruba, when they were killing Yorubas, why did Said Elegusi did not bring the sorrow to go and attack the Fulani X-Men? In the only state in Yoruba land that does not have Amotekun is Lagos State. In all of Yoruba land, Lagos State refused to buy into Amotekun's idea. And then one stupid Oba come out. Who made you an Oba? And you say you are Said Elegusi. You must be a fool, oh. Now, we are going to pass your dictates to United States government authorities. But because you cannot constitute a nuisance to others just because you want to prove to Tinubu that you are his houseboy. It's not going to be possible. Now, let's go to the Constitution. 1995 Constitution as amended. Whether we like it or not, I don't like the Constitution, but whether we like it or not, that is the first end Oriogo of Nigeria. Whether we like it or not, we are still operating the 1995 Constitution. I don't like it personally, but there's nothing we can do about it unless it is changed or amended, or where Nigeria is restructured. As far as I'm concerned, and as a lawyer, 1995 Constitution is still the document governing on is Nigeria. So where did Said Elegusi derive his own power? Oh my God, go. Where did you derive your own power? That on the eve of the election, that was when you now decided that Oro Festival should come out. I don't blame you. I blame Malami, the General of the Federation, who doesn't know his left from right. I blame Malami. You cannot have power more than the Constitution of Nigeria. Who made you an Oba? Where did you derive your power? And then, even if a state make a law, state don't know. If he makes a law, or state house of assembly makes a law, and there's a clash between state law and federal government law prevails. That's it. That's a basic constitutional issue. If there's a clash between state law and federal government law prevails. How do we get all this non-entity in Yoruba land now at the helm of affairs? Non-entities, scallywags. People who are half educated are the one now controlling Yorubas. Who made you an Oba, Said Elegusi? You must be a fool. If I'm not a stupid man, the mother Adeleke in Osun State, the mother is Igbo. Why did he not bring that controversy in Osun State? Let's be realistic. Ademola Adeleke, the present governor of Osun State, the mother is Igbo. Why did Ademola Adeleke's mother, why is that an issue in Osun State? I've never met anybody to say before, but for somebody to come out and use his mother's being an Igbo to campaign against him is a wrong. It's a no for me. I know it's Tinubu to decide who is a Yoruba man or not. Who made Tinubu to decide who is a Yoruba man or not? Everybody go. And if Yoruba Abbas don't know how to behave, go to Benin, go and take a tutorial lesson in Benin City. If Yoruba Abbas does not know how to behave. Go to the city and take a tutorial lesson how an Oba behaves. But in Yoruba land, Oba have turned themselves into Tinubu's houseboy. Oba, Oni of Ife, Oluwo of Iwo, Elegusi, and Lawal, they have turned themselves into Tinubu's houseboy. Oba, stop, Oba. I'm from a royal family. It's not that I'm hiding to say it. Is it because I don't put Barrister Prince in front of my name? So you cannot know royalty more than me. My grandfather, my late grandfather, was a king. They can write to INEC and tell INEC to disqualify Gbadebo's favor. For somebody to be using the fact that Gbadebo's favor is the mother is from Igbo, and now you are using this as an election campaign strategy, shows that Tinubu and his supporters, they don't have common sense. It's someone from Lagos State.
God have
mercy. Someone is from Ijebu-Imusin. You, Tinubu, you are from Iragbeji. Are you from Lagos State? So, you cannot impose Lagos culture on the Igbos. Okay? Tell anybody I say so. You cannot impose Lagos culture on Igbos. You can't. Igbos are not from Lagos. And they have every right to live in Lagos. As far as 1999 Constitution is concerned, once you're in Nigeria, you can live anywhere in Nigeria. If you want to be Tinubu's perpetual slave, you alone and your household will be Tinubu's perpetual slave. We will not allow Tinubu to enslave the whole of Yoruba.